Hello everyone, welcome back to indiancoding.com. Today we are going to study about iterators in Python. An iterator is an object that contains a countable number of values. So it contains the countable number of values that is required for the Python. An iterator is an object that can be iterated upon, meaning that you can traverse through all the values. You can go through each values that you have given. So in that case, there are few methods you can use. So inside that, technically in Python, an iterator is an object which implements the iterated protocol. In that case, which consists of methods that are required. So there are two methods I have mentioned already. So on screen, you can see that I have mentioned the two kinds of method that are required. The first one is underscore iter underscore of function method, and the second one is next of method. So what is difference between iterator and iterable? List and tuple dictionaries are the set of iterable object, and they are iterable containers which you can get on the iterable form. So it will help you to give the form of the iterator, and it contains which you can get after the iteration process. So on screen you can see that I will run one program. Here I have mentioned the tuple, that is the list, that is the tuple of fruits that are available. In that case, now on screen you can see that I will mention my IT equal to iter of my tuple. Okay. After that, print next my IT, and then we will see what will happen. So these are the two kinds of methods that we need to require. First, you have to create my IT, that is the iterator you will create. For printing this particular form, what you will write, you have to mention the next. These are the two methods that are required in the case of iterator. So it will automatically provide you that much of amount, that much of the thing. So now on screen, you can see that we will be able to see how can we create this. So these are the three details that are available. That's how you can create the iterator. That's all for today's class. Tomorrow we'll study about more features related to Python. Thank you so much.